How many frames was that? Okay, we might have to change the plans a little bit because we have some clouds. This is very typical. Right after sunset, get some clouds. It's changing the whole landscape and the whole possibilities for us. But we're still going to go for this direction because on the other side it looks very messy currently with those dirty clouds. It looks better over here.
Probably a bit more.
It says 70.
Are you okay?
Yes.
At some point, stars started to pop out, and we kept testing things. And it's really when I put the flashlight on top of the tube that we got into something. And then I was so happy about it, especially on strobe mode, so the blinking light around the tube. And as we got really beautiful clouds moving, the stars, I decided, okay, can we do a stop motion doing that? And it turned out to be our best one ever, I think. We just finished, okay? But it's always like that. Your new thing is the best thing you ever done. But no, I really think this one is better because we have the clouds zooming in the picture. The strobe mode is the first time we do that actually with the tube, and this is exactly what we were doing during light spin using a small tube, a very small tube. And the fact that it's blinking, it feels like it's spinning. That was the name of the project, light spin. The light was spinning around the dancer. Using that single flashlight on top of the tube on strobe mode, like blinking, makes everything like feels like you're wrapped in the light, and you get some light that hits you along the way, and so you have the glow around you. You didn't even see.
I have no idea.
I'm going to show you.
Ooh.
That's the last frame.
Wow.
And it's fun because you can look at it once with the clouds and with you, with the lights around you. Okay, we did 90 frames.
I'm like, well, 55. It's like double.
Congratulations, Kim Henry. That's a good one.
High five.
Yep.
That was another high five.
Okay.
Look at my elbow.
Okay.
Go.
Testing the sound. 2, 3, 4. The night started with beautiful fireworks at the Blue Hour, but our plan was clear. Tonight, we aim to do a tube light painting stop motion with the Milky Way. This technique has been a key element for us over the past few months, and it integrates perfectly with our usual work due to the meditative and slow pace of it. It is some kind of a performance, and it can last for dozens of minutes in the silence of the night.
So for me, the preparation is mainly to know in advance what movement I'm gonna aim for, and like while you do your settings, your tests, and I test myself, like I repeat the thing, so the path is really clear in my mind and in my body as much as possible, and I try to make choices that I know I'm going to be able to sustain for a long time.
That you regret afterwards?
That I regret, yeah. Yeah, because, if you want to go like in torsion or like to go like up with the focus, then you realize like your head is so heavy, you know? So yeah, mainly to know what is the movement that I want to do, and as well like the way we did it today and yesterday as well, it was that I would choose the beginning and the end point of the movement, and then I would stay still in the same position for a few shots, so about like 15-20 shots. Then I would do my motion, and then again like freeze and stay at the ending point for another while, so we can have like the landscape or the sky, like the stars moving while we're still there. You want to do something like this, well, I have to move both of my hands, but not at the same distance or rate. I don't know if that makes sense.
Oh yeah, and this is way too tricky for me. I would never do this. Were you thinking about these things when you did light spin?
Yeah, I think so.
Because you have very complex movements that you did, and you were not prepared for it.
I know, it's true.
But it's not as precise as what you're doing today, of course.
I don't think so. Probably like it's really different as also because light spin was really short, like 1 second, and we were like doing it was like continuous almost.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, much easier.
Yeah,
way,
easier
faster.
in the global vision of the movement, let's say.
Mm-hmm.
As opposed to now that was like 13 seconds, so in between each one I have to move a little bit, but to make sure that I'm still on the good path, and I'm not like rigidifying my body, because that's also like what happens when it hurts. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's challenging. I really like it. I feel like the more we do it, the better like I understand also like what I have to do for it to be like smooth.
Mm-hmm.